I would say my favorite part about the program is all the opportunities that I've been given since I've been here.
The industry engagement is great here at this program. It's one of the only places you can go, especially in the automotive industry, where the industry comes to you.
Manufacturers recognize SIU as, a stand in the automotive industry. Some of our graduates have gone to, Ford, Toyota, GM, and, they're usually coming back to recruit new students from SIU.
We have a very large facility with tons of training equipment. We have over 140 vehicles of cars and trucks and all kinds of different equipment that you get to learn on. Today I'm disassembling this 4L80 transmission, and we have tons of time to work hands-on with the different vehicles and components, as you see here. It is not just a lecture-based program. Hands-on is a big part of what we do here.
Here they want you to learn in and out, and they want you to learn, oh, that's your piston ring gap, or you measure things to the 10,000ths and the thousandths place, so you have to be very precise.
Being together with everyone that has the same interest as you, and how passionate all the instructors are about their jobs, about the classes, and really wanting to push you to be the best that you can be. And that's something I really like about this program, for sure.